something I never seen before, right? All right, but check out a big toolbox Milwaukee clearance, guys, for 7 and a quarter. Buy one get one free. We got some more Labor Day deals just dropped at the depots. Also, we're gonna be going to a lot of clearance, 2 different stores. So definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, so we got $29 on tune-up on your heating or AC for that Labor Day savings. Some clearance here for the patio. We got some patio tables, 69 down from 139, 34 down from 169. Glass bistro tables, and there's different ones. I'm not gonna go over all of them, just so you guys can get a general idea of what's in the stores and what to look for. $70 down from 99 for the Toro Power Jet Leaf Blower. $159 down from $299 for the 8-inch chainsaw pole saw combo. This is pretty good for the DIY, somebody that has trees and medium-sized yard. Check this out, guys, on clearance still at the stores. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop it even lower. $517 down from $899. Killer deal on this clearance deal. It is a 2-blade mower. That is the 2 blades that it comes with, and you can compare it with the lower model, which is $599. It's even less than that. All right, this one's for the Labor Day savings. You got the Ring Barity Doorbell Plus. This one's $119. You got the Link Ryobi. This one's $40 down from $74. This is a 7-piece Ryobi Link. Work skin for the Milwaukees. This is a medium size. This is on clearance section, $44.97. All right, check out this beast, guys. This is an 8 amp hour battery, 40 volt, $389 from the 40 volt Max XGT for the Makita. These are somewhat very rare, actually, in my depots. There's only a few tools available in my depots. $99, $99 for the drill driver as well, and impact driver, so you guys just saw. And then check this out. This is a hammer drill and impact for $229. $149 for the M12 pack out floodlight. I know the new next week once those Labor Day savings wear down. $119 for that vacuum. $49.98 for that organizer from the DeWalt. You got a rigid starter kit there, $69 up from $99 to 2 amp hour starter kit. Right next door, we got a 5 amp hour battery for $99 down from $189. You got a flashlight here, Milwaukee, $59.97. Pretty nice. It is rechargeable. That is always a plus with these. All right, so buy one get one free. The top one does qualify for an 8 amp hour battery. The bottom one does qualify for a 5. So guys, there's a lot of good tools out here. I'm not gonna spend a whole bunch of time. The ones that I would pick is the chainsaw. Actually, all the ones on the top. The brand new vacuum or the newer vacuum, they're $219. And that M12 HD 12 amp hour battery, that is a killer smoking deal on that one. If you guys hack that, even better. $49.98. Check this out. Something I never seen before. This is a half organizer or a half deep toolbox. Compact toolbox, what they call it. $34 down from $69. That's actually a really good deal for this one. It is very deep, kind of like an XL toolbox, but half the size. Just interesting what they did with that. You got $24.97 for this tape measure. This is a pretty nice tape measure. It is labeled on both sides. You guys know not all of them are labeled. It's pretty much like a Fat Max style. It is removable magnet, but you do get a little bit more features on that one. And then we'll compare it to another Fat Max. I'll show you guys that in a second. You got a DeWalt torpedo tape or torpedo level, $19.97 down from $22.97. This is actually not bad for little guy. Steel jaw nailing, $13 down from $22. So this is a hammer. It does have a rubber handle, and it is all metal, 12 ounce. I know it's not the biggest. Personally, it's a little too small for me, but all right. So you got a power source here, the M12 power source. Check this out. This is a portable power source, $34 up from $69. It's on clearance. All right, some buy one get one free for the M12. You got $269 for the hatchet, $259 for the rotary hammer, and then you get any of those tools for free. I would definitely go for the ratchet. So soldering iron and the light. You got the angle grinder, $98 down from $139. It's already sold out. $30 down from $199 for the 2-drawer toolbox. Guys, if you guys did get that deal, that was this killer smoking deal. $30 for the 2-drawer. That was really good deal. Alright, got the small parts organizer, $22 down for $44. Check out the decorations. They're getting bigger and bigger every year and more expensive. Check out almost $400 for that one. $200 for that ugly dog. Alright. And there you had a few more. I'm not going to show you guys. Alright, toolboxes, guys. This one's actually on clearance. 61 mid-size, low profile. 7 cubic feet. Husky. 365 down from 405. So that's not bad. I have one of these. It works really well. 359 down from 398 for the guard ladder rack. From the weather guard, 800-pound capacity. I personally do have a weather guard toolbox, and I love it. So that's a matte black rails there. All right, so on to the second store. I know I didn't have enough for one video, so had to go to two different because I had to get some materials for work. All right, so 110, 166 or 266 down from 379 for this Ryobi chainsaw. $79 down from 99 for this string trimmer. 40 volts. Got the Gen 2 string trimmer, $90 down from 179. A lot of these are still in the stores, especially the Ryobis. Nobody's buying it. But keep an eye out, guys, because some of these are going to go back even lower. Because, again, nobody's buying them. And guess what? They're going to drop in price. So $259 down from $369 for the chainsaws. This is Echo 18-inch gas chainsaw. Got 13-inch mower for $147. Guys, these do not have power at all. But if you have really small yard, then that is the way to do it. Got the real mower, 102 down from 199. You want to go old school. You got a blower here in the clearance section. This one's $80 down from 159. It's two only jet fan blower. If you own the batteries, there you go. $34.98 for that 50 quart chest cooler, and then $99 for the 10x10 pop-up canopy. Those are great, guys. If you guys do outside work, if you guys have your miter saw outside and stuff, or your tile side your tile I can't talk today. $24.98 oversized folding chair. So all those are good if you guys work outside, especially if you stay at a property or at a place for pretty much throughout the day. So that's good to set one of those up, keep cool. All right, so this is pretty nice for the patio that you can serve your drinks in. Good. 85 down from 339. That's actually not bad for that prep station. All right, we got the ladders section. This is $79.97 for the dual platform with bucket, 4.5 feet. For the Gorilla ladders, 250 pounds capacity. Check out this bigger one. I know we had better prices at the Black Friday deals, but if you guys need it, this is the way to go. 169 down from. But if you guys are willing to wait, make sure you guys wait for the Black Friday because they have some killer deals. And make sure you guys stay subscribed because when those Black Friday deals drop in November, I post them. They do sell out. So 117 down from 129 for this screw gun. That's what it looks like. Then this one's on clearance. This is the Milwaukee section. It was on the clearance. So 143 down from 229 for the Bluetooth speaker to only M12. All right, here's another one. Here's a circular saw. This one's a 7 1/4 circ saw M18 fuel. This was 129. Not bad. Check out the buy one get one frees, guys. They still got a whole bunch of deals. You just have to look at the stores and look for these deals. All right, to start here, we got the impact driver, drill driver, $399, 2 batteries, charger, and a case. You got a top handle chainsaw, $349, circular saw, 6.5, M18 fuel, $229. So you buy any of those and get a free qualifying battery, which is this one, the 8 amp hour high output battery, the high torque impact wrench. That's a killer if you guys hack that. $299. Got a compact brushless impact driver and drill driver combo, $239. You got a M12 M18 HD 12 amp hour battery for $199. You got the pack out vacuum. Those qualify for the free 5 amp hour battery. So those are killer deals, especially if you hack them. All right, so 2-piece starter kits, $240, and then $69 off of $99 for the 2 amp hour battery starter kit for the rigids. Alright, on this one, $99 for the 5 ampere battery, same as we did see on the other store in the clearance section. That's it right there. Looks pretty much the same as the other one, no difference. And some of some of these are pretty good deals, especially that impact wrench for $199. That's a really good deal for that one. Power stack 2-pack of batteries and charger for $179, and then impact driver and drill driver for $169. That's a really good deal on this one. This one's one of the most compact that they have impact drivers. And you got a fastback or a flip, push and flip that they call it, for $12.97. This is pretty much a copycat from the fastback from Milwaukee. I personally do like the fastback, but that one seems to work okay. $189 from $269 clearance, guys, for 7 1/4 circ saw with a battery. So this does come with a 6 ampere flexible battery. And then this one does have a drill driver, hammer drill, 168 kit. Comes with a 6 ampere battery as well. And check out this power stack combo for $99 and from $169. So that's a nice starter kit there. And then some 30-piece, very, very inexpensive. Even somebody just doing a project. These are great bits. $12.97. It does include pretty much all you need for a project. And then you got this battery charger, $29.97. Now that the winter's around the corner, you're going to keep that battery charged. 25-footer Fat Max for $23.97 if you guys compare it with the other. It is only labeled on one side, but you guys know this one's proven over the years. You got a Stanley Power Lock 35-footer. Pretty plain, pretty simple. Does its job. Only labeled on one side. Alright, so here's another of those 8 ampere batteries at this store. You guys can compare the price. $351, pretty much the same price. At down for $389. Alright, you got the 2-pack of 4 ampere batteries for $99. DeWalt's on clearance. That's it right there. That was in the rack in the middle of the store. Alright, talking about some toolboxes, we got a whole big section to go over. $99.97 for this huge rolling toolbox. You can even put someone inside of this thing. It's so big. Actually, there's a few of them that you guys can you got a nice organizer there. You guys see how deep this thing is. This is a 50-gallon mobile job box that they call it. It does have some weather stripping. And for the rigid, $29.98. This is actually a pretty good deal. Whoever got that $50 rolling drawer box, well, here you go, guys. For $30, add a few more of these, and you're good to go. You got a full system there, budget system under $100. Alright, so you got the Pro Gear rolling cart for $89. Of course, for the drawers we paid $50. If you were subscribed to my channel, you paid $50 for that. That was a really good deal. Alright, you got the Ryobi Link. This is actually a pretty solid platform, but I would definitely go for the Husky. The Husky platform, I think this is one of the better ones. This is the build out 22-inch large toolbox, $29.98. If you guys do see, it's much cheaper, but not necessarily cheap materials. This is high quality material. Check out this one, $69.98 for the rolling toolbox. That's a really good deal. I can't wait for the Black Friday deals. Same thing with Milwaukee. We're going to go over Milwaukee in a second, but we do have $79.97 for the large toolbox. I personally do have Milwaukee and I do love it, but now I got the rigid. Of course, I couldn't say no to the rigid, just like everybody else, right? Alright, but check out this. It's a really nice, you got a 4-drawer system there for $199. Very, very smooth, very nice. Alright, so $74.98 for the Labor Day deals on this boxes. And they're still running the buy more, save more on these, so you guys are able to hack them. So $4.99 will get you $150 off. $3.99 will get you $100 off. You got the drawers for $129, but check out, you got $74.98 for that large toolbox. $109.98 for this Tough System large toolbox, rolling toolbox. That's a really nice box there. These deals are not bad, especially if you're going to be adding to your system already. You just need a couple of these, maybe a small one and a medium to add to your system. This is a great time to buy, but if you guys are going to buy a whole set, again, Black Friday is the way to go. Alright, you got a 63-gallon for $129. This is a big toolbox. This is even bigger than the other one. The other one was a 50. This one's a 63, and it does have some really nice rubber wheels or casters, and it does have some handles. You can tie everything, or either tie it to the truck or tie a toolbox to it. $14.98 for the Pack-Out Large Magnetic Bin. You guys do see this is pretty good if you guys sport the Pack-Out. There's only one left at this store, and you got a small part magnetic bin, $9.98. So there you go. You got the twist lock mount, $8.40 on clearance for $9.90 from $9.97. They only had one of these left. That's it right there. So if you see it, grab it, because who knows when you're going to see that again. $69.97 for the 22-inch small toolbox for the Milwaukee. Again, guys, I know it's not the greatest price, but you know what? It was $89, and now it's $79, so it's $10 off. At least something if you need it. Like I said, grab it. If not, wait for that Black Friday deals. $8.98 for this Milwaukee toolbox. This is a really nice toolbox. You got the deep drawers there. Self-closing drawers. Got some nice rubber there on the edges and the corners. And then you got a power strip there, a handle, nice wood top on the solid wood top on the. You got $2.98 for this. If you don't have the money, you can buy something like this. $42, 8 drawer. This is actually pretty nice. Doesn't have the self-closing, but it's pretty nice. But for budget situation, here you go. This is your platform to get into. This is your modular storage system. You got $29.98 for the Pro Gear. This is a smaller toolbox. You got the medium size for $39.98 for the Pro Gear. And that's it right there. That's a good size. And then for the rolling, it's $89.98. Very, very inexpensive. So especially if you bought that rolling toolbox for $50, now it's the time to add up to it, because those are really good prices. And you got the vacuum there. You guys could add this vacuum to that system. This is $119. Remember, guys, this vacuum, I believe it is corded. All right, on the ladders section of this store, you got $99.97 for the 6 feet fiberglass step ladder, rated at 300 pounds. So it is a little heavy duty. A pretty nice ladder. And then on the other section, we did get a smaller stool or a smaller ladder, $229 for this Gorilla. It is a 3-step. This one's down to $42.97, down from $49. Still pretty good deal for what it is. But anyways, that's it for today. Let us know in the comment section, which tool do you buy, or what are you waiting for on that Black Friday deal, or what are you going to get this weekend on the Labor Day savings. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.